Hi traders, it's Chris. Hope you're having a wonderful day. This is not a full market analysis today on the 28th of June because there's not much going on. I'll just cover a few things before I go into gold. Gold is moving and has been moving today and yesterday and the day before, so it's doing very nicely using the gold on steroids. So I'm going to do a coaching session on the gold on steroids, explain how it works. And in addition to that, I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can grab 40 pips, risking 20 pips over and over again. So bear with me. Markets are flat. Look at the DXY. US dollar is going nowhere. We do expect this to go higher into a wave 4, but not doing it today. Interesting on the yen futures, and this looks like the reversal is coming. So look out for this. This is going higher, with confirmation that we've got positive divergence on the automated software, and so therefore all the ends are going down. We've been waiting for it, so we will be looking to go short probably on Monday on a few positions. In terms of the Swiss franc futures, this determines the direction for the Swiss pairs. On my watch list, they're not parabolic. However, they could be a good trading pair to use on probably by Monday once this decides to move up. We've been talking about this for a few days. It's been weakening and weakening and weakening. So we do expect the wave 4 on this trend line to kick up in the next few days. I'll be doing the weekly Forex forecast, don't forget, on Sunday. And I'll be giving you fresh targets, fresh trends as they appear, and giving you some direction for next week. Let's go into gold. So we have a few positions going short other than gold. We have euro dollar, euro Aussie, and a few others. So they're in profit, but nothing to write home about at the moment. However, let's have a look at gold and do the analysis and explanation. So we talk about outside bars quite often, don't we? These are opportunities to grab some profits on a correction or a continuation basis. So outside bars are the ones to look out for. So we had one yesterday, didn't we? And I did say this is going to go down. Didn't go down as far as I thought, but nonetheless into liquidity this morning. And at 6:30 this morning, we had a fresh buy signal on your chart. Smiley face, happy days. The other thing to bear in mind is this moved into convergence. Convergence is where we have a few events happening at the same time. In this instance, it came into liquidity. So that's where all the buyers are setting up. So very few people trade like this. And that's really important to understand, because if you trade ICT or CMC, eventually it's not going to work. Because if the whole world is trading exactly the same way, guess what's going to happen? You are going to lose money, because the markets only work in two ways. They only work when people are not trading in the same manner every time, because there's two ends of the market. There's winners and buyers, winners and losers. And of course, that's the way the market is and always will be. If you don't have any losers, you don't have any winners. That's the way it works. So if everybody, 90% of the markets, is trading in one way, then of course you are going to be on the wrong side of the trade. So the way that we work here at the Trading Mentors, we trade differently. No one else has this. No one else will be able to trade like this. And therefore, you become one of the few people that make money. In any case, so this was the situation this morning. Let's have a look here. Let's go deeper into the market, and we've got a sell signal here. So I did post this in this morning to use this as your trailing stop. If you want to, go to target 23.39, hit 23.39. Happy days, nice 100 pip target. Got another one going as well. So we got a sell signal into the sell signal. Happy days. Very simple. If you want to do that all day long, that's fine. But let me go deeper into the market for you so that you can see whether there's any benefits to this for you. It depends how much time you have, or whether you're in the markets quite often or not. I often do this when I'm traveling, if I'm out and about, which I usually am in the mornings, and whatever I'm doing at the gym, whatever, I like to have a quick look to see if there's any benefits to actually any pullback. So any kind of pullback or correction into the trend is an ideal opportunity to get into the position and bank your money. Now we've gone long down here, buy signal, buy trailing stop, blah blah blah. Yeah, fair enough. But if you want to become highly successful and start really motoring and increasing your account exponentially as a gold trader, then this is what I do. So wait for the price to come down. But how do you know when to get in? How do you know when to get in? Very straightforward. There's your position here. So at 6:30 GMT, you're going to go live on this buy signal and have a nice swing low here, stop, and then you're going to trail it as it moves up to target. But notice this here. Let's choose a different color. Let's choose there. So there's 2 bites of the cherry. Now the way that I would do this, and the way I do this is, and this is actually a lot clearer on the MC4 charts. I did post that into the VIP room this morning as well. This CCI moved down to become oversold in an uptrend twice. So what can you do to benefit from that? Let me mark that there. So that's that one there. Let's put a line there to help you and help me. So now I can change the chart so we can see it a lot clearer there. Okay, so let's get rid of that. So this is the deal. Once the price moves down and the CCI becomes overbought in an uptrend, clear uptrend, you can then go 20-40. 20-40, it's all you need. So in other words, you're going to go long. You're not going to wait for anything. You're not going to wait for any change of candlesticks or anything like that. You're going to go 20-40. So your stop is 20 and your target is 40. At this point here, you are going to, let's get rid of these. You are going to go long. Don't wait for anything. Grab the tools. You're going to go long there. You're going to have a 20 stop and a 40 target. Now, of course, it's going to go higher. But these are bonuses, don't forget. These are in addition to your normal trade. This will give you exponentially far better performance in the long term. And besides which, you're not trading every 5 minutes. There's 6:30, there's 8:30, there's 10:30. So there's 1, 2, 3 opportunities to trade this now. Now this is heading to our target, another 100 pips. Let's see what's happening with the CCI. So the CCI is now here. So it's not pulling back at all. We have fair value gaps positioning themselves very nicely here. So a fair value gap is a gap between 3 bearish candles in a row, and it fills the gaps to give you an idea where the price is probably going to come back to. But at this moment in time, this is not happening. So what's likely to happen if we see a complete crash of this price, which could happen this afternoon, we don't know, then of course you can come back to this method, wait for the CCI. The settings are exclusive for people with the Gold on Steroids software, exclusive. All the settings are non-standard, so be careful. You can guess, but you'll be guessing for a very long time, guys. So hopefully you found that useful. Quick flick across the markets before I leave. Euro, Aussie, yeah, happy days. Pound, Aussie, yeah, happy days. Aussie, New Zealand. Oh, Aussie yen we had. How's that doing? Oh, Aussie yen. Oh, that's going all right. I did say this morning in the VIP room, close the yen pairs. I really mean it. Don't be in the yens here now. I know I've been saying that for a few weeks, but looking at the charts, there's loads of divergence. So we'll look at this US Canadian, mixed US Swiss. There was a buying opportunity here, wasn't there, a few days ago? US yen, yeah, US yen is starting to come off. So these are coming into exhaustion now, exhaustion phases. So there is going to be some trading opportunities. If I see that the yen futures are starting to climb and move big, these are going to fall big as well. So they're great opportunities. Euro dollar flat, as I said, nothing going on in Forex really. So stick with gold for today and hold on to euro dollar. Not doing much. Euro Aussies heading for target. Pound Aussies heading for target if you're in that. And so on. Now, in terms of the pound Swiss, how's that doing? Oh God, we've been patient with this, haven't we? It's not parabolic any longer because it's come up too far. So we're going to have to be even more patient with this. But this is going to be based upon a stronger Swiss franc futures contracts. Once they go, then of course this will drop like a stone. So look out for that. We do have a negative divergence. We do have a liquidity zone. It's into, so this is convergence. So that's good enough, but we do need to see a breakdown of this price. So we'll wait for that trend line to be broken possibly, or in below the 50 EMA. So have a great day. Hopefully that's useful to you. Bank those money. Bank those profits in the gold software. And if you want the gold on steroid software, it's just waiting for you.